There is no such thing as away. When we throw anything away, it must go somewhere. This quote by Annie Leonard is a reminder that our trash is taken somewhere and could be hurting the earth, which is why people are trying to find other ways to safely distribute our waste. Instead of putting waste into landfills, we can recycle, which is a great way of converting waste into reusable material. There are many different ways we can recycle on an everyday basis. There are also many ways, or many benefits to recycling, and in the long run, recycling is the better option for our waste. Recycling is the action of converting waste into reusable material. According to the Atlantic online news article, China has recently stopped letting America send them material for recycling because they cannot clean and sort all of it by themselves. People in America do not clean out their recycled goods before they throw them in the bin. Because American recycling is so dirty, we cannot send material to China because they can afford to clean all the material for us. Instead of throwing dirty material in recycling bins, we must clean them out so our action of recycling isn't wasted. The Encyclopedia of Business Ethics and Society shares many ways people can recycle, such as looking for recycled options in the products we buy, buying rechargeable batteries, and recycling glass, metal, paper, plastic, and also composting as a way to recycle. Finding recyclable products is not hard to do, and it's a big way to reuse material. There are many recycled options at stores for everyday life, such as trash cans, clothing, and stuff like that. These recycled products are better for the environment because instead of making new products, we can use recycled material, so we can reuse material and make something useful out of it. Recycling can help our environment and can make great changes to polluted areas. Recycling metals or cans can benefit you and the environment as well, because in some states you can get paid to turn in certain recycling material. For example, if you turn in a pound of aluminum cans to a recycling center, you can earn 40 cents for each pound, which is kind of a lot of money. The materials we recycle can be useful to us in the long run, while landfills potentially are destroying our planet. Landfills are hurting the environment because they burn waste and the gases go into the air, which is causing global warming. Global warming is a gradual increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, which is caused by increased levels of carbon dioxide and other pollutants. A different, more effective way to throw away waste is composting. Composting is the act of keeping all of your old foods and putting them into soil for a richer soil. This different option is much better than throwing them away to landfills, because instead of hurting the earth by the landfills, we can help the earth and the soil. Many people wonder where recycling goes after it's dropped off at the recycling center. In a Wonderopolis article, it explains that first, recycling bins are collected by a truck, and are brought to sorting centers. After they're dropped off the recycled goods are separated by the Materials Recovery Facility, the MRF, so they can make new products out of it. After the plastic, paper, metals, and other recycled material are separated, they can be broken down into raw materials again and sold to manufacturers. Manufacturers can take these materials and make a new item using recycled goods, which is a huge benefit to our environment. The Hutchins Unabridged Encyclopedia explains the benefits of recycling. Recycling can reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills. Another benefit is saving trees and forests. By reusing recycled paper, we can make more paper without having to use more trees to make paper. So instead of cutting down trees to make paper, we can just use old paper and make new material out of it. By reusing recycled paper, that's just a huge benefit and very cost effective. So recycling also saves money because it reduces the cost of production during manufacturing. Instead of getting new material to make goods, recycling can cost less because the material's already made, So they just have to make new products out of the material we already have. Recycling is a great way to be involved with cleaning our planet and saving our environment. There are many easy ways we can recycle instead of sending waste into landfills. The separation process is much more efficient and cost effective than throwing material away. Next time you are about to throw away a bottle into a trash can, just think about how it's going to affect our environment and see how you feel after that. Thank you.